Hey everybody, and welcome back to Maximalist Workshop. I'll keep this video short because I don't want to beat a dead horse. As a quick recap, the Sovol SV08's original nozzle was press fit into the hot end, and for whatever reason the nozzle would come loose from the hot end during printing with PETG, causing catastrophic failures and damage to either the nozzle, the build plate, or both. Sovol has agreed to replace any damaged nozzles or build plates, and some are supposed to have been sent out, but as discussed in my videos in the description, it's a little confusing which ones we should be receiving at this point and which ones we should be trusting, because a lot of us started receiving bronze nozzles like this, which don't have a grub screw, and Sovol indicated that the correct design has a grub screw like this one, which at least one person has received. Now, Sovol has released a hardened steel nozzle, which seems to be an adapter that accepts nozzles that look similar to the ones the K1 originally used. And I thought to myself that this is great. They're finally releasing what a lot of us have wanted from the beginning. Because of the nozzle failures, though, a lot of us bought extra kits, so it's frustrating to learn only now that Sovol was likely planning to sell something like this all along. And just to throw one more confusing element into the mix, it looks like at least some folks are receiving bronze design hot ends that appear from at least the outside to be threaded too. As a consumer, it's really hard to figure out which nozzles I should be using and which nozzles I should be trusting, so it would be good if Sovol could put out some diagrams or maybe a flowchart telling us which of these nozzles is safe for use with PETG and all other filaments. It would also be helpful to know if there are any other important differences between these nozzles, such as, for example, flow rate. Can all of these nozzles handle the 30 cubic millimeters per second that Sovol has advertised for the SV08, or does one of them have a slower max flow rate than the rest of them? Overall, the fact that one doesn't know which design hot end they're going to get when they ask for a replacement or when they order a metal hot end kit from the Sovol website is challenging, because as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, a lot of people bought these machines as investments, and every hour we spend trying to figure this stuff out and waiting for yet another new design is an hour lost that could have been spent working on our businesses or just enjoying the heck out of this really cool machine. At the end of the day, I bought these new hot ends and I'm waiting for them to ship now. Once they arrive, I'll let you all know what I think. If you like this video, please leave a like below because it helps us in the algorithm. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you have any feedback, we love to hear it, whether constructive or complimentary. Leave it in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks everyone. This has been Maximalist Workshop.